This video is about, why am I yelling? This video is going to be about 6S LIPOs. Basically, I'm going to pick one. I have 7 different ones. I got Ovonic, race day quads, the Talon NFG. I have the dude just walked by and I just completely, it's all gone. So what did I say? Ovonic, race day quads, NFG from Heli Nation, the Talon line. Tattu, the R line HV, anyway, the thunderpower RC, and someone that I'm forgetting, China Hobby line, the orange ones, not the white ones. I hear that the orange ones are better. So let's go ahead and run it. None of these are graphene, obviously. If you haven't seen my graphene video, I'll put it here, where I do some high-tech testing to show that there's actually 0 graphene in all these graphene batteries. So a little plug, I'll put it somewhere. I don't know how to use things, but check it out. Here's the quad. I wanted to just do some freestyle today, but I've been talking about making this video for a while, so I'll go ahead and do that. So what I'm gonna do is basically take 1 lap around the park at about half throttle. Then I'll pop over this gazebo, let's say 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then whatever it is, we'll figure it out as we go. Okay, here's the packs that we're testing in order from smallest to biggest. So you got the 1000s, these 3, you've got the 1050 milliamp, then you've got the 1100, then the 1150, which I'm a little bit suspicious on this Talon. I don't think it's an 1150 because it weighs the same as these 1000 milliamp, but it could be something with the energy density or something. We'll see. Then you've got the 1250s and 2 of these 1300s. One of them's on the quad. So let's run it and see what happens.
Few moments later.
Slight change of plans. I don't really feel like doing this. I want to get some freestyle in today. It's just like I got all these fresh packs. I don't want to just waste them. So I did the first pack, 1300 milliamp hour. I flew for like 5 minutes, and I could have gone longer, but it's really like wet here, and I don't want to crash and whatever. So we're gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna just do standard freestyle, try to keep it all the same, and then I'll let you know my favorite one, because there's nothing scientific about this, so I don't want to try to make it semi-scientific. So I'm just gonna run the packs like I normally would, and I have 2 of a lot of them, so can check it like that, review the DVR, and I'll pick one. I flew the batteries. Let's talk about each one for a second, and then I'll tell you my favorite and why. So let's start from this. Okay, this, I like the shape of it when it sits on the quad. I like what it does to the CG, but for me in particular, having it on here, it causes more issues. So I can only get 1 strap around it because of the way my standoffs are. So the second strap ends up being like here. So for that reason, it's out, but it performs well. The CG is good. It's a decent price, but the shape is a deal breaker. Next, we'll do the big boys. The 1300 Ovonic, 5+ minutes of flight time, which is awesome. Plenty of power, too heavy. Same with the race day quads, too heavy. So we're left with these. Now, when we get into this section, I'm gonna immediately eliminate R line because I hate the way they're constructed. This dent is from my battery strap. So like they wanna shave weight. So notice the wires, how thin they are compared to the Ovonics or anything else really. The wires are too thin. They don't use like metal in between. They don't put anything around to protect the cells, because I think this is mostly meant for racers, to people who want to shave every last gram. So like I had a slight tap on something and the battery strap dented all these. And also I've had one of these almost catch my house on fire. So sorry, you're gone. Now these 2 are the same, so we're down to these 3. Okay, the Talon is way too saggy. So first of all, 1150 milliamps, 1000. So this claims that it's 150 more than this, but weighs the same. That is a lie. and not to mention it's sagging. I would rather have you say that this is 900 milliamps but have it fly like 1,000 milliamp pack. I would be more impressed with that, to under promise and over deliver, than to over promise and have a saggy battery. So sorry, this is out. And these two are my favorites, the 1100 Thunderpower and the 1000 milliamp Ovonic. They fly kind of similar. This one gets about 20 seconds more. This one I think is a slight amount heavier than this, maybe 10 grams heavier. This I think is 171. This might be 181. Don't quote me on those numbers. I don't like the short balance plug. I get why they did that, but I just don't like it. I like it to be a little longer. It makes it easy for charging when you have a parallel board, and it also, you know, when you're flying, you just pop it in between like this and you're good to go. This one, although it won't hit because it's too short on my setup. It could be different on other people. Sorry, I'm a little cold, so I'm wearing shorts. So because of the price, this is half the price of this, so I'm obviously going with the Ovonic all day. 1000 milliamp 100C Ovonic pack is the best 6S pack that I've tried out of these, in my opinion. Now I haven't on 4S. I like the RDQ ones, but for whatever reason they might have been sold out of this lower milliamp, or I don't know what the deal was. Maybe they didn't have something like that. I don't know what it was. So this is the winner. Ovonic, hit me up, sponsor me. I need about 10 of these bad boys. This is good. I couldn't justify paying the whatever it was, I think $47-50 for this. I think this was $23. I'm really bad with numbers, so I think this was $23. I'd take this all day, maybe even cheaper. Maybe it was $21.99 or something. So yeah, Ovonic is the winner, and this concludes the video. Peace. You can find a link to the Ovonic and all of these batteries. I guess I'll put them all in the description. I don't recommend this R line simply because of its construction. Was it a good pack? It was okay. It wasn't anything special. Also, can't justify paying that price. Like, it doesn't do anything extra. So I heard a lot of good things about this. I think it's just good marketing with the name, and the design is great. And also didn't notice anything special. Nothing cool going on there. Okay, this is the honorable mention. Fix the shape. I don't know, do they have a different shape than this? I don't know if you can see, so look at them next to each other. This is like a square pack. So R-Line, I know, makes some square packs too, but they also make regular. So does China Hobby Line make any regular packs? Let me know. I might try those out. But this was a great pack. If there was a way for me to get my battery strap around it, what the fuck was that whistling? If I could get I told you I'm freezing my ass off. If I could get my battery strap around this, I'd run with this, maybe. I forgot how much it was. But overall, dude, Ovonic is like, and I can't believe Ovonic, because on their website it says like the perfect practice battery. But this is what I'm talking about, under promise, over deliver. This is like not a practice battery. This is a great battery. Anyone who I've ever told about this, who flew it without any skepticism, they loved it. Now, see, R-Line could take a clue from Thunderpower. You see those little fluffy, cozy things in between the cells? And you see that little strip of metal in between? That's what they need to do. 5 grams isn't gonna kill you, so hit me up.